My name is Dr. Marta Vlach. I am a naturopathic doctor, and I was trained as a clinical and counseling psychologist, and then I went on to train in the naturopathic medicine. I have my own practice in the state of Illinois in Oak Brook Terrace, and I've been doing this for 17, almost 18 years. So I really love what I'm doing. I started out as the psychologist. I educated myself in psychology, clinical psychology first, and I loved it. I still do to this moment. And I was trying to, help my patients with clinical psychology. But in Europe, I was also educated in herbal medicine or botanical medicine and homeopathy. And I noticed that with my patients, when I started doing the herbal medicine along with the psychotherapy, we've had much better results. And I can see the benefits with my patients that I see even for chronic diseases. It's just not, for mental imbalances, but I see them from chronic diseases, and they're really turning, around with a healthy lifestyle, healthy eating, and that's what makes me so happy for them because that's what they need. I really wanted to do something for my patients in my office that they would feel it's a high standard. It's not just a little small course. It's something that medical doctors can do, and naturopathic doctors can do, or chiropractors can do as well. But you have to be educated to really do that. So I was looking for a really high standard association, and I was very pleased to find your website, and I did a little, research about your organization, and I found it very knowledgeable, and therefore I decided to really go through the ACAM and decided to really do the training and go farther with my education. I really like the fact that a lot of things are based on science. And so you can definitely see a lot of research, research data that you can read, and it's really done well. I like the fact that there is a TACT 2 going on. The TACT 1, which was the research about the cardiovascular and the chelation relationship together. I really liked the TACT 1, and I like the fact that ACAM was actually, able to show all the doctors who were participating in the certification all the details about the TACT 1, and now the TACT 2 is going on, the research again about the chelation, the benefits of chelation. I really like the fact that ACAM was giving the doctors all the information that we could get, and that's so important for all of us to be as a team members and share the information and get the most that we can get from there. So I really appreciate that, and I still do, because I go to your website quite often and go to the research data and see if there is anything new, and then I read it and I see all the research paper that you put on the website. I always go through that because that's what interests me, and that's what all of the certified doctors I believe should do to still keep educated. I've been doing the chelation, oral chelation in my office for years, honestly, many, many years with my patients. And I was able to see a lot of changes because heavy metals are definitely in the system of many patients or many people who don't even know. And when I started doing the chelation with my patients in my office, I was able to see the differences, even behavioral differences or physical differences with my patients, or both. I've been using ozone in my office for several years, but I'd like to use it even more with my patients and do the chelation with the ozone, which we actually help get rid of the heavy metals, but we are also helping patients to get rid of the unhealthy pathogens in the body, and oxygenizing the body and oxygenizing the blood, and really doing a lot of benefits at once. So I believe that everything is connected together, and if there are heavy metals, there are usually also some pathogens or unhealthy bacteria or viruses or mold or fungi or yeast, and with the ozone and with the heavy metal chelation, we can definitely help more patients to get better and feel well soon.